on his thing.
I'm getting it. I've never been filmed before. Houston, Maine's Sniffle face. Hughes. Give me the sniffle face. That's not the sniffle face. It's not the sniffle face, son. Mom, can you hold this? Or your hands? I'm trying to get the sniffle face, but I know he has to be eating. Oh, there it is. Oh, the sniffle face. Sniffle face. Never before filmed. The never before filmed. The never before filmed sniffle face. Hey, the sniffle face. The sniffle face. Hey, that's not the sniffle. Hughes, give me the never before filmed. Sniffle, sniffle face, sniffle. You're making Mom in the sniffle face. He's the man doing the sniffle face. Why? Stop hitting yourself, silly dude. From afar, sniffle face. Let's see. Do the sniffle face for him, Mom. And what did you do? Do the sniffle face. Sniffle face. Oh, grab the phone. Oh, he zoomed in. He zoomed in. Oh boy. All right.
I'm taking pictures.
I can't zoom out. I'm trying to zoom out. All right. Oh, there we go. Back to sniffle face. Back to sniffle face. Back to sniffle face. Hughes. What's that? What? Computer. Huh? You hear your mom giving me the sniffle face? You're gonna look around Dad, huh? Hughes. Houston Anthony. Who you want to say hello to? Say hi. Hello, everyone. I'm Houston. Oh, hiccup. End it with a sniffle face. Huh? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, that looks good. Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Bye.